What's up YouTube? This is Eric Kelly, aka The Tech Gentleman, bringing you guys another video. Today, I'm super excited to bring to you, finally, the Essential PH-1, Essential phone, whatever you want to call it. Bring it to the channel. I've been a fan of this phone ever since it first came out last year, but there were some factors that contributed to me not getting it. One of those was definitely the price. It came out at $700. Can't mess with this phone at $700, no subsidy, no 2-year agreement, no discounts, no buy one get one, no nothing. $700 straight out the door, straight cash. Couldn't do it. Couldn't take that big of a chance on this phone. But finally it's in the house. Amazon Prime Day just went down, and it was a heck of a deal, man. The phone originally went down to $499 on Amazon here a while back, and that's been the regular selling price for, pretty much all of this year. Prime Day came through. If you remember last year, Prime Day wasn't nothing to even talk about. This year, I wasn't even expecting to be excited about something on Prime Day. The most excited thing I bought, or I was expecting to buy on Prime Day, was some freaking little Amazon dash buttons. I got some Colgate and Gain, so we can quickly re-up on some of the stuff we use all the time at a cheap price. Then this right here dropped. The phone went down to $250 out the door, brand new. Well, of course you had to pay taxes, but $250 for this phone. Ceramic titanium build, 2K screen, 4K shooting on the front facing camera. You guys know the deal. This phone's been around for long enough. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm ready. I got my unboxing knife. Thanks to my father-in-law. Got my name on it, so you know what time it is, and you know whose it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and try not to damage the box at all. Go up here in the scene, see if we can't get it popping. Like I said, man, I've been super excited about bringing this phone home, especially since they said they're not gonna make any more. That really kind of drove up the stock and the motivation to get this phone, because I was hyped for the second version, the PH-2 or the second version. But when they said they weren't gonna make a second version, I was like, yeah, so I guess I gotta go ahead and get this guy. We're gonna take a look around the box. So we got Essential phone, color is Black Moon, that shiny titanium back, nothing up top. Just like a little bit of a Essential logo on the left side there. On the back, you got a little bit of info. Essential PH-1 includes Essential phone, fast charger, USB cable, headphone adapter. This guy does not have a headphone jack, so you're using a USB-C to 3.5mm headset jack adapter. They're nice enough to throw one in the box. As far as I know, it's nothing fancy, it's just a regular one. And of course, you got the extremely minimalistic picture of the phone. All right, here we go. That packaging, just the way I like it. Everything front and center, just the way I like it. Take a look at the little bits first. So you got a little charging brick, Type-C on the charging brick. That's cool. Let's see what we're looking at. 27 watts USB. Got a output of 5 volts 3 amps or 9 volts 3 amps. I like it. Off to the side, we got our nice high quality cable, Type-C to Type-C on both ends. I like how we're getting down there. A nice little cord management cable there, high quality braided cable, no slacking. I like it. USB Type-C to 3.5mm headset jack cable. Even this guy's braided. No corners cut. I like it. Got a nice little slot here, and I like the way they did the SIM card tool, because it actually matches the the logo there. So that's pretty slick. A little bit of attention to detail. And inside of this guy, what do we got? Some little books and stuff. Yeah, a little paperwork. Send it off to the side. Nothing else over there. Here it is. This phone. Ooh. Is there anything else in the box? I don't think there is. Get that out the way. Here we go. The Essential phone. Plastic on the front coming off. Got some plastic on the back. Oh yeah. Yeah, we here, man. That is ceramic. That ain't no fake blend. This ain't no ceramic-like material. This is straight up ceramic. It is definitely, it's denser, it's smoother than glass. I'm liking this, man. I really am. Like I said, I always wanted this phone, but just out the gate, so I'm gonna go ahead and power it up. There were so many compromises out the gate. For this phone to be essential, they said, yeah, we're coming out with the essential phone. It's gonna have basically just kind of the bare bones of what everyone needs, but it's gonna be the best, the highest quality, everything. And they had some great ideas, but the execution just failed, man. Like I say, this is one of the few phones that I know of that can record 4K video with the front-facing camera. But the camera, even just the app itself, when it came out, was trash. It was unusable. So many accounts of people just not even be able to open the app. And then the dual camera sensors on the back, you got one color sensor, one monochrome sensor. And once again, the camera app was just killing the hardware on this phone. The hardware was there, just software support wasn't there. Well, the support is there, but out the gate, the functionality wasn't there. And as you can see up top, they got the, some people call it the nipple, but the only thing you got is the camera dipping down to the screen, and the rest of it, you got a very good bit of screen up there. So up top, it isn't that big of a deal. The bezel on the bottom, compared to phones nowadays, like if I pull up my OnePlus 6 here, the bottom bezel is definitely, a little bit big, but that's not a big deal. The reason why this phone couldn't be my main phone last year was it just was too small, and like I say, software-wise, it just wasn't up to par. So what I'm gonna do, definitely set this guy up fresh. I'm gonna go ahead and get it set up on my Wi-Fi and everything, start pulling down some stuff, and kind of go through the phone and give you guys my first impressions of it, man. I'm excited. All right, guys, so we're back. I got my information in the phone, and it's loading up. Downloaded some apps, and one of the kind of reasons why this phone has stayed in the spotlight has been the fact that it's been getting updated just about every single month. It's on, should have an update to Android 8.1, and also has a P developer preview that's running on it right now. And even here recently in an AMA with the guys over at Essential, they said that they plan on doing Q support as long as Q is released in the time frame of the support window for this phone. So the longevity of this guy, even though there is going to be a second one, and apparently no more accessories for it, which is kind of sad, they are going to continue software support. And like I say, even right now, just out the box, I've got a software update. I'm not sure what that is. Says tap to learn more. Go ahead and tap. So yeah, this is actually going to upgrade the device to Android 8.1 and give you a security patch for May. Yeah, we'll go ahead and start downloading that and install it. And maybe once that's installed, there'll be some more updates as well. But yeah, first impressions, the build in the hand. This is a cool little phone. Like I said, it was definitely too small for me, especially once you cut off the area that you need to square off that notch. The screen real estate is really, it's just too small for me. So that was one of the main reasons why I couldn't get this phone and have it be my daily driver. But as far as, like I said, I'm gonna compare screen sizes here. OnePlus 6 screen size to the Essential. It's no contest. But I'm gonna test out the cameras. Definitely that's something I'm interested in, seeing if they've improved a lot and just see what all the fuss was about. But like I said, for $250, this is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Snapdragon 835, 4 gig of RAM, 128 gig of storage. But yeah, man, for $250, you just can't beat this. This is amazing. 4 gig of RAM, Snapdragon 835, 128 gigs of storage, dual cameras on the back. Nice, I believe it's 8 megapixel sensor on the front, shooting 4K video for vlogging. Also doing 4K 30 on the back. Do 1080p 60 as well. But it's just a nice, solid built phone. One of the best feeling phones I've probably held. A nice weight to it. I'm liking it, man. Definitely will have some more covers. I got some cases coming from Tudia. Shout out to Tudia, holding your boy down on the case tip. But until next time, guys, peace.